Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact UPS customer service, direct link step by step clearly. To contact UPS customer service, start by visiting the official UPS website. Look for the customer service option in the main menu. Click on the customer service link to access various support options. Scroll down to the contact us section. You will see different ways to connect with UPS customer service. If you prefer to speak to someone directly, locate the phone number for customer service. Make sure you have your tracking number handy for reference. Dial the provided customer service number. Follow the automated prompts to reach the appropriate department. You can also choose to chat with a representative online. To initiate a live chat, find the chat option on the customer service page. Click on it to open the chat window. Type your inquiry or issue in the chat box. A customer service representative will assist you shortly. If you need assistance with a specific package, utilize the tracking feature on the website. Enter your tracking number to get real-time updates. If you prefer, you can send an email detailing your issue. Attach any relevant documents for faster assistance. Check the FAQs section for quick answers to common questions. If your issue is not resolved, request a follow-up through any channel you used. Make sure to note down any reference numbers provided during your interaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.